Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. All right, y'all. So I am changing it up just a little bit and doing a review on a human hair unit that I actually constructed. I purchased the bundles and a closure from a vendor called Mermaid on Amazon. I ended up purchasing 3 bundles, a 14-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch with a 12-inch closure. And I went ahead and constructed the unit using the hot glue gun method. I went ahead and dyed the unit using the L'Oreal I forgot what it's called, but using the L'Oreal dye color red. I just wanted to give it a little extra, red flavor, just to change it up a little bit because the units always come in the natural color. I just wanted to change the color a little bit. I did get this idea from Hearts and Cake 90. I thought it was phenomenal. I was like, I've dyed my own hair using this, so I might as well try it on a wig, right? So thank you, Hearts and Cake 90. Thank you, Brittany. Appreciate you, girl. So if you would like to see the review on this wig, then go ahead and stick around. All right, so here's a quick unboxing of the hair. These are the 3 bundles in 14, 16, and 18 inches with the 3-part 12-inch lace closure. So as I mentioned, I did go ahead and dye the bundles and the closure using this L'Oreal Technique HiColor highlight in the colors Magenta and Red. And I ended up using 2 of each of the colors. I also added some 40 volume developer to mix the color with. I ended up letting the color sit for about 2 hours, but I think if I had used a little more developer and maybe let it sit like another hour, I would have gotten that brighter red color I was looking for. But this is the color that I got, and I'm quite pleased with this. I was looking for something a little brighter, so I'm probably going to try this again on a different wig to have a better level of success. Okay, so I already sprayed the hair with some argan oil heat protectant, and now I'm going to curl it using my wand curl. And this is a really nice wand curl set that I got. It's like a 7, maybe 8-piece wand curl set. It has different sizes of the wand curl that you can attach. And I got it from Amazon, so I'll leave that link in the description box if you are interested. One tidbit I realized while doing this wand curl is that it's easier to keep the hair as flat as possible instead of twisting the hair while curling. I kind of made that mistake on the very first one, but then I went back and fixed it at the end. And I love this little glove that comes with it, with the wand curl set as well, to protect your hands because those wand curls can get a little hot. So I also have a preference of curling the hair away from the face. It just gives it a nice little flow as though your hair is like blowing in the wind as you're moving. I just kind of like the hair to go away from my face.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you.
So now I'm just going to spray a little Got To Be Glue free spray all around the hair to kind of keep the curls intact. Kind of hold their form. And then I'm also spraying some more argan oil around the hair to give it a nice little shine. So this is what the color looks like up close and personal. Again, I was going for that deeper red, but I'm okay with this outcome. And I'm showing you that I did bleach the knots and what the cap construction looks like as I used the glue gun method. Now with using a Spandex Dome Cap to construct the wig, it might be wise to add some hair clips so that you'll have a little more security, or you can use a wig grip like I did for a little more security so that the wig does not slide off. Yeah, these clips were not being cooperative. Now, I would normally use the Got to Be Glue Freeze Spray to adhere the wig down, but I didn't think it was necessary. I just felt like skipping that part altogether and just add a little baby hairs. But I did notice a little hump in this little parting area on one side, more prominent than the other. So I'm using my Laila Ali Hot Comb to kind of flatten that area. And now I'm just going to finger comb through the hair because I'm going for a more like beach body wave. And so finger combing it kind of gives me that, but I'm going to also comb it as well. Adding mousse to the areas you're trying to flatten also helps as well. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder to the parting area. And I'm still noticing this crazy hump over here, so I'm going back to my hot comb to try to flatten it out a little more because it was driving me nuts. There's also a lot of frizz or split ends in that crown area, so I use that freeze spray and the hot comb to try to keep those babies down as well. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Yes, y'all, so I had a lot of fun making this wig and kind of customizing it and making it red, which is my favorite hair color, by the way. So this is the final look, y'all. I hope you like it. What you think? Let me know what you think. Yes, so I enjoy the quality of the hair from this company. I was able to use almost all 3 bundles. I probably had like a little piece left, so it did make it quite full. A nice good density with me being able to use all 3 bundles. Now, I am getting a little bit of shedding, however, that could be because of, the lace cutting, the tweezing of the hairline. I mean, there are a lot of factors that could include the reason for the shedding, so I won't hold that against them. Tangling, nope. Fingers are gliding right on through this hair, baby. This is some good quality right here. And I was shook to be able to find this hair on Amazon. Amazon is my #1 favorite store to shop from, y'all. I kind of get everything from Amazon. And I mean everything. And I always list every single thing that I use in my videos in my description box down below, which usually come from Amazon. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these items, be sure to go ahead and use the links that I list below because that kind of helps your girl out a little bit. Yes, as an influencer, I kind of get a little something for you guys that use the actual links that I list in my description box. So help your girl out. All right. Now, I like frontals. Frontals are great. But let me tell you, the easy breeze of a closure, I'm here for the closures too. I love a good closure. So, if I have to choose which one to go with, I'll probably go with a closure because it's just easier. You don't have to worry about a whole hairline. You can part it in the middle. You can even part it on the side, and you just worry about the closure area. You ain't got to worry about all these sides of the hairline because the hair is going to cover it anyway. I did use a Spandex Dome Cap, which It's not my best option because the Spandex Dome Cap is very big head friendly. And as I've mentioned in several videos, I don't really have a big head. When measuring, it may appear that way. But if you actually put a measuring tape around my head, I only measure out at a 21.5. So that's really not big. So the Spandex Dome Cap, it's just never a nice fit for me. I probably need to add an elastic band back. And that's kind of why I curled it this way. Even though this was a body wave type hair, I typically like to straighten the body wave. Don't ask me why. I have no idea why. I don't know what it is about straightening the body wave hair. It just gives it such nice body and quality. So that's what I normally do. But I decided to keep it in the body wave texture because I felt like the Spandex Dome Cap kind of make the wig look a little bigger. Or, you know, it feels bigger in my opinion. So that was my way of kind of camouflaging that for this wig, y'all. So if there's anybody out there that have small heads that construct these wigs, let me know. Let your girl know what you're using out there. I have even tried a kid size Spandex Dome Cap. In one of my other videos, ooh, don't make me lie. I can't even remember which hair company it was, but I'll list it down here at the bottom, y'all, so you'll see. It'll be down here. So I did use a kid size Spandex Dome Cap for that wig, and it was like, it was too small. So I can't find a happy medium, y'all. Somebody help me out. If you have a small head and you got a happy medium, let a sister know what you're using, because the regular size Spandex Dome Cap nor the kid size, it's just, it's hit or miss for me. So I need something in between. All right, that's just a tidbit. That's just my rant on Spandex Dome Caps for constructing a wig. Okay? All right, guys. So I'm not going to hold you much longer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like my hair. Because I do. Ow. All right, y'all. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss another video. Okay? You can't afford to miss another video. Okay? 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 I will catch you in the next video. Until next time. Bye, y'all.
Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change.